Next, we're going to make the water cycle in the bag. So for this, you're going to need a couple of items. I'm going to tilt the camera down so I can show you what items you're going to need. You're going to need the bag that you used with your project. We just did it with the art. You're going to need some measuring cups, and you're going to need some blue water. Now, in your packet, there was a Ziploc bag, and in that Ziploc bag, there should have been a drop of blue food coloring. When it comes time to pour the water in, if you pour regular water in there, it should turn blue. If for some reason it does not turn blue, you will have to add some food coloring, or do like I did. I did not have any blue food coloring, but I did find an old blue marker, so I just made some blue water with it. So let's begin. So to make our water cycle in a bag, you're going to take your bag and you are going to use either a 1/4 of a cup or a 1/2 a cup. And that just depends on how much water you want in your water cycle bag. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup. And then if I decide I want more, I will add more. So this part, you might want to have somebody help you hold the bag open so that you do not spill the water everywhere. So I'm going to take my water. Let me move my marker real quick. So there's a 1/4 of a cup of water, or 1/4. That's I think I'll do another one. I'll put another 1/4 of a cup in there. Ooh, I'm making a mess. That looks pretty good. So once I've got that filled up as much as I want, I would not put any more. I wouldn't go any higher than about this far on your bag. You want the water to be able to come up. So once I have it this far, have your mom or dad help you. You want to try and keep a little bit of air in the bag. You don't want to take all the air out. You want to save some in there. Once you have this part done, what you're going to do is you're going to tape this to a sunny spot in the window or on a door. And then what's going to happen is, as that warm sunshine comes through your bag, it's going to heat this water up in here. And then that is going to create condensation. And that condensation is going to start forming on the inside of your bag at the top. And then what happens is, the more condensation that forms, the bigger the droplets get. And then when they get really big, what do you think happens? It starts falling back down, just like the water cycle. So it starts off with the water, it turns into evaporation, it comes up, it creates condensation, and it goes back down into the water. And all this is happening because the sun is warming the surface of the water up. So again, the sunlight is going to come through your bag and it's going to warm the water up, and that is going to create evaporation. And that evaporation is going to stick to the top of your bag because we've sealed this shut. It's not going to be able to go out. So it's going to stay in the bag. It's going to create condensation in here. And then as those condensation droplets form, they're going to get more and more, and they're going to get bigger and bigger, and they're going to get heavier, and then they will run back down the inside of the bag. So that's a water cycle in a bag. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how long it takes before you notice your water cycle working. How long does it take before the sun started putting some condensation into your water bag? You guys have fun with this, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.